Hi folks, it's Rob here from Bonavista Leisurescapes, and this video is meant to show you how to clean and rinse your filters on a weekly basis. So the first thing that we're going to do always is we're going to put the hot tub into standby mode first. That's a very critical part of the process. And then from there, we're going to go ahead and make sure our filter assembly is wide open here like this. And then first we're going to take out our skimmer basket, which unscrews very simply just like that. So here is your skimmer basket. That's going to need to be cleaned and rinsed on a weekly basis. That's where you're going to get leaves and hair and debris and that sort of thing in the spa. And then on the inside here is a fast flow pre-filter that will need to be discarded every 3 months, okay? So you'll have to replace that a couple of times a year, but otherwise nothing to do there. We'll just place it back down in there and we'll screw it back down. Just like that. Perfect. And then our pressurized filter here on the other side, you're going to lift this gray tab, you're going to spin the ring off, and then you're going to pull the brominator up and out of the canister, and up pops your filter, okay? And so your filter should be cleaned and rinsed on a weekly basis, and it should be replaced on a yearly basis. And that's going to ensure that you're going to have the cleanest, highest quality water possible. The golden rule with hot tubs is always the more you clean the filter, the better the water is going to look. And so when you're finished with that, you'll place your clean filter back down inside the canister, and you're going to put everything back together just like this. And then from there, guys, you're all set and ready to go.